Hey everybody, I'm Ed, your rail fan with a beard. This is my channel, Ridge Meadow Railfanning. Welcome everybody. Wife and I took a little steam engine train ride on the Everett Railroad. It was a little excursion train that we went on. They were doing a little program called Steam into the Sunset. So it was a little 2.5 hour train ride through the mountains into the countryside in Pennsylvania there. Beautiful scenery. So I went ahead and shot video while we were on the train and taking the ride, and got some decent video from the outside before we took off out of the station there and that. So putting that together in a video for you guys. You can take a look at that. And it was kind of a 20s themed ride. All of the coaches were from the 1920s. They kind of had some 1920s music playing the whole trip. So that was pretty cool, kind of set the mood for it and everything. But super cool little ride. Everett Railroad is what it was called. Steam into the Sunset. So without further ado, we're going to jump into it and I'll show you guys the ride. Hope you enjoy. Thanks guys. Okay guys, going to take a little train ride this evening.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
「
Mm-hmm.
」 . Okay, everybody, that's going to wrap up the video for the little excursion train we went on there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a blast on the ride along there. That was a really cool thing. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along for that. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Beautiful little train ride. Like I said, it was 2.5 hours overall, out and back to the station. So super cool. Lots of cool scenery. Definitely hope you guys enjoyed it. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Appreciate you coming along. If you have some spare time, I appreciate you check out some of my other videos. I've got over 100 up on the channel, long form, video shorts. Got kind of a good mix of everything on there for you. Got plenty to keep you busy for 4 or 5 hours plus. So check it out, guys. I definitely appreciate the views and the support. So from there, that's probably going to do it. So with that said, that's gonna wrap things up, and hopefully I'll see you guys all on the next video. Thanks for coming along, guys. Appreciate it.